Hello one and all, I am going to share one more video on ellipse. The example of horizontal ellipse I have not provided in the previous video. So this is the example of horizontal ellipse. Now the right side should be 1. So divide by 225, we get x square by 25 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. So clearly a square is equal to 25. Since a square 25, so a is equal to 5. Now b square is equal to 9, so b is equal to 3. So we are going to answer the question. The center of this ellipse will be 0, 0. The vertex will be plus minus 5, 0. Now a, we have to find the value of a. So for both ellipse, b square is equal to a square 1 minus e square. This comes from this. When this is simplified, we get this. So this is very useful. Emergency. In case of emergency, we will use this. We have to find out the value of a. So let us see. Since b square is equal to a square 1 minus e square. So 9 is equal to 25, 1 minus e square. So 9, 25 minus 25 e square. So 25 e square 16. So e is equal to 4 by 5. So eccentricity we have got 4 by 5. This is 4 by 5. Now we have to find out a. This is plus minus a is 5 and e is 4 by 5. So this is plus minus 4, 0. Next, a by e. So x is equal to a. A is 5 plus minus, and e is just now you have got 4 by 5. So a by e. A divided by 4 by 5. A multiplied by 5 by 4. So this is the equation of directrix. Now 2b square by a, 2 into 3 square by a is 5. Eccentricity known to us 2a. 2 into 5 10. This is same. X is equal to 0. This is 2b. 2 into 3 6. And the equation will remain same. Y is equal to 0. So everything is established. Now moving towards another problem. Another problem of ellipse. Let us take, suppose with the vertex is plus minus 5. Vertex plus minus 5, 0. And focus is plus minus 4, 0. Write the equation of ellipse. Ellipse. So it is very clear that the vertex is plus minus a0. So a is equal to 5. A is equal to 5. Now the focus is a is 0. So a is equal to 4. Now you can get the value of e, but e is not needed. Our equation is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Clearly horizontal ellipse. In horizontal, plus minus, the second one will be 0. The second one will be 0. The abscissa exists, ordinate will be 0. So this is clearly horizontal ellipse. So the equation will be x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. We need a and b to write the equation. A is given but b is not given. So use the emergency formula. B square is equal to a square 1 minus e square. This is the formula to be used in case of emergency. So this is a square minus a square e square. Put the value of a. So a square is 5 square. A is 4. So 4 square, this is 9. So the equation of ellipse is x square by 5 square plus y square by b square is 9. 9 equal to 1, or x square by 25 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. So this is the answer. In this way you can answer all the questions. Suppose the 0 plus minus 5 and 0 plus minus 4. Suppose this is given. Now the first member is 0, so this is the vertical ellipse. Clearly the ellipse is vertical, this is not horizontal. In horizontal, the second member is 0, but here the first member is 0. So the vertex for vertical, the vertical vertex is A, 0 plus minus A, and the focus is 0 plus minus A. This is the case of vertical ellipse. Vertical. So clearly A is equal to 5 and A is equal to 4. So A is equal to 5, A is equal to 4. Again apply the emergency formula. Since B square is equal to A square, 1 minus E square. So B square is equal to 5 square, 1 minus, multiply this, A square minus A square, E square. Put the value of A, 5 square minus A, 4 square. So this is 9. Now starting from 0, starting from A0 and 0A. So 0A, the equation will be, this is changed. In case of vertical ellipse, this will be x square by b square plus y square by a square is equal to 1. So the equation of vertical ellipse x square by b square plus y square by a square is equal to 1. Clearly the vertical ellipse 0 something. So put the value b square by 9, x square by 9 plus y square by a square, 5 square is 25 is equal to 1. So this is the answer. It is very easy to write the problems, answer of the problems. If you are knowing this table and also the vertical table at the same time. One more question, this will be the last question. Write the equation of ellipse. Ellipse, major axis on x-axis and passing through 4, 3 and 6, 2. Now major axis on x-axis, this type of ellipse, where the major axis 2a on x-axis. So the equation of this is horizontal ellipse. Answer, clearly the equation of horizontal ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Now since it passes through 4, 3, so put the value of 4 and put the value 3. So according to question, 16 by a square plus 9 by b square is equal to 1. Also it passes through 6, 2. So 36 by a square plus 2 to the 4 by b square is equal to 1. Now you have to solve this to get the value of a square and b square, which will be substituted to get the final answer. So better to multiply it by 4 and this by 9, and after that solve this. This is cancelled. 9 4 ja 36, 9 4 ja 36, and this 16 64 64 minus 9 गुना 6, 9 6 जा 54, 4 carry over 5, 9 3 जा 27, 27 5 32 by a square. This is equal to minus 4 and minus 9 this gives minus 5. So this is minus 260. Minus 260 by a square is equal to minus 5. So this is a square is equal to 52. A square we have got 52, and putting to get b square, putting in 2 and or 3, from 2 get b square. It is very easy to put the value of a square and get b square, which will come 13. So the equation of ellipse. So equation is, this is the equation, x square by a square 52 plus y square by b square 13 equal to 1. This is your answer. Thank you very much, students. In the next video, I will discuss hyperbola and the problem. Thank you.